In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Agentforce 360 password. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to regain access to your account securely and efficiently. Begin by opening a web browser on your device, type in Google in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Google search homepage where you can proceed to search for Salesforce. Next, in the Google search box, type Salesforce and press enter. You will see a list of search results related to Salesforce. Look for the official Salesforce link, which is labeled Salesforce, the customer company. Click on this link to navigate to the Salesforce website. Once the Salesforce homepage loads, locate the login button typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on login to proceed to the login page. On the login page, find the option that says forgot your password. This is usually positioned below the login fields. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. After clicking on forgot your password, you will be directed to a new page. Here, look for the button that says reset your password and click on it. This action will guide you to the next step in recovering your account. You will see a prompt stating, we'll send you an email and then verify your identity. Ensure that your email is accessible, as you will need to check it shortly. Click on continue to proceed. Now enter your username in the designated field as prompted. This is typically the email address associated with your Agentforce 360 account. After entering your username, click on the SCON-TEE button to submit your request. Next, check your email inbox for a message from Salesforce. Look for an email with instructions to reset your password. Click on the link provided in the email to continue the process. Once you click the link, you will be redirected to a page where you can set a new password. Here, type in your new password, ensuring it meets any specified security requirements. After entering the new password, click on Continue to finalize the reset. If prompted, answer any security questions associated with your account. This step is essential for verifying your identity. After answering, click Continue to move forward. After successfully answering the security questions, you will be taken to the final reset page. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the provided field and click Rep Password. Finally, you will receive a confirmation that your password has been reset. You can now return to the Salesforce login page and use your new password to access your Agentforce 360 account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.